If your heating system has left you out in the cold, do not call the HVAC pro until you have checked these 5 things on your system. Your issue could be a simple fix, and you could do it yourself. These are easy, simple tips that don't cost you any money, so that's what I do here at HIPChicks, is save you money, stress, and time. So make sure you subscribe. When you come home to a freezing cold house, the first thing I want you to do is check the thermostat. Many homeowners don't realize that programmable thermostats have batteries. So replace them and then reset your system. And after that, if it's still not working, you need to determine, is the fan blowing at all? And if it is it blowing warm air, cool air? This way, if you need to call your HVAC guy later, you know what to tell him. Next, if that doesn't get the hot air flowing, check the unit itself. Did someone turn the power switch off by accident? Did someone bump the control panel door? If that door is left open, the system goes to auto shut off to protect itself. Now, check that circuit breaker. Did it trip? And does it need to be flipped back on? And remember, sometimes when a breaker flips off, it may look like it's in the on position, but it's not fully engaged. So make sure that you push it into its fully locked on position. And don't forget, sometimes you might have run out of fuel supply. Did you run out of oil or propane? Did the gas line get turned off for some reason? Your system can't make heat without a fuel source flowing. And lastly, maybe your system is running, but not running very well. And it could be because it's working too hard because you have a dirty air filter. So changing the filter keeps the unit from working so hard that it starts to shut down. You want to make sure that you're changing it every 3 months from buildup of dust, dog hair, and dander. In some units, they will tell you to go every 6 months, but for most units, it's every 3. Like I said before, my goal was to help you save money, stress, and time. So if you would like even more tips on how to fix simple things around the house before you call a pro, make sure you click the link above and I will send you my 5 tips to save $500 on home repairs because you tackle them yourself. So while you're at it, make sure you subscribe and we'll see you next time at HIPChicks.